Hello, my name is Bash Longworth. In other words, Bash. That's my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to draw an animated cat. Not a hard one, just an easy, simple one. So what you will need is just one color. You can take a pen, a pencil, any drawing material, just one color, okay? In case you want to color it in, but I'm not going to color it in. I'm just going to keep it simple. So you just draw 2 ears, then a very round head, and then just draw a circle. There we go. Make sure it's not flat. I'm not saying that this is flat. It's definitely not flat. And let's just add some eyes. Just add some big lines over there. And just add a triangle. And then boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And then for the ears, just add this, and this, then this. And then just more hair on the side. And wait a minute. Let me just actually I need that. Let me just finish it off. Just give me a second. There we go. There is your cat. It's an animated cat. It's simple. It's beautiful. It's got a round head, some good eyes, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Bash Longworth. Bye.